dear students, we are going to discuss today map skill 3. In this, we are famous cities located on map, demarcation of famous cities and location of India, and about monsoon's direction, southwest monsoon, and returning monsoon, that is northeast, that means winter monsoon, and western disturbance. So first famous cities, then after we are going to discuss monsoon direction in India. After that we are going to discuss location of India. Okay, so here we have Srinagar. It is asked in examination, and in your board examination, the famous cities, definitely one or two cities will be asked in examination. So be carefully, just map in your mind. This is Srinagar, this is Delhi, Allahabad, Kolkata, this is Hyderabad, this is Visakhapatnam, and this is Bangalore, Chennai, Kochi, and Mumbai. Okay? And the direction of southwest monsoon, this is Arabian Sea, and this is Bay of Bengal. So southwest monsoon's direction is what? From heading towards north direction. Okay, that means northeast direction. This is southwest monsoon direction, and returning monsoon direction like that. This is the northeast, that means returning monsoon, or we can say winter monsoon. It will asked in the examination in any name, northeast monsoon, either returning monsoon or winter monsoon. So be careful. And this is western disturbance. Okay, this is western disturbance. This is also falls in what? In winter season. Okay, so with this, now we are going to discuss location. Now we have location of India. So in location of India, you know very much, India is falls under northern hemisphere and eastern hemisphere of Earth. So this is started from 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north, and eastward hemisphere is 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 25 minute east. So this is the longitude and latitude extent of India. Now India passes through Tropic of Cancer. So how many states passes through Tropic of Cancer? This is also asked in examination to show on map. Tropic of Cancer passes through India. Okay, so just for the sake of remember, I have one mnemonics in Hindi. It is Gamcha Jhar Mitra Par. Stands for GA for Gujarat, M for MP Madhya Pradesh, CHH Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Mizoram, Tripura, P for Paschim Bengal, that means WB West Bengal, and R for Rajasthan. Okay, clear? And when it's come to talking about Indian Standard Time passes through line 82.5 degree, you know that it passes through Mirzapur, Vindhyavasini Dham, Amravati Chauraha, Amravati crossing. So, but the state passing through 82.5 degree is not only UP, it is Mauka. What? Mauka. So you have Mauka what Mocha? M for MP, O for Odisha, U for UP, and C for Chhattisgarh, A for Andhra Pradesh. For the sake of what? Remember. And just you have to remember it. This line also passes through Sri Lanka. So when you draw this on map, just remember this state must be clarified in the 82.5 degree, and Sri Lanka is also falls under this 82.5 degree east longitude. Okay. Now it's come to talking about neighboring country which land border, shared land border in India. So we have Bachpan mein MBA. Okay. So what is Bachpan mein MBA? Bachpan, BA for Bangladesh, CH for China, PA for Pakistan, N for Nepal, and M for Myanmar, B for Bhutan, and A for Afghanistan. This is in sequence. In Bangladesh, we have biggest land border share, after China, after that Pakistan, after that Nepal, and after that Myanmar, and after that Bhutan, and last one is Afghanistan. Okay? Fine. Thank you so much.